Hello everyone. Today I am making Pandesal, the most popular bread in the Philippines, and I'm giving you my secret recipe. See why it is so called wow by my kids. Let's start baking. Here are the ingredients. First, combine the yeast, a tablespoon of sugar, and a warm milk and stir until yeast and sugar are fully dissolved and set aside for about 10 minutes. Next step, in the mixing bowl, combine the dry ingredients, starting with the flour, then the sugar, the baking powder, and the salt, and then mix well by stirring. Next step, add the eggs, the oil, the melted butter, and then the yeast, sugar, milk mixture in the mixing bowl with the dry ingredients. And then mix again until dough is formed. In a flat surface, apply or grease some butter and then put in the surface. Knead the dough until the textures becomes fine. For faster and easier kneading, you may use a stand mixer with dough hook. Mold the dough until shape becomes round, then put back in the mixing bowl. Cover the mixing bowl and then let the dough rise for at least an hour. After it rises, put the dough back to the flat surface and divide it into 4 equal parts using a dough slicer. Slice the dough and round them. These slices will be the individual pieces of the pandesal. Then now, roll the individual pieces over the breadcrumbs. After they're done, put them in the baking tray with a wax paper. Just make sure to provide gaps between dough, as this will rise later on. Leave the sliced dough with the breadcrumb in the tray for another 15 minutes to 1 hour to rise. Once they're ready, preheat the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we bake the pandesal for about 10 to 12 minutes. Once they're done, turn off the oven. Just cool down a little bit those pandesal and ready to serve.
This is the bun.
What do you call it?
The wow.
The wow.
So today,
If you like the video, please like and subscribe.
if you like the video, and you can see another one.
Okay, try it.
Come on.
Wow.
Wow.
How is it? You like it? Good job. Well, guys, if you like the video, just like and subscribe and watch for the next video.
Is it good, JR?
Yep.
Bye.
Sam,
High five.
high five. Wow.
Say bye bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Like it.
Bye.
Ah.